So we're on day 7 and it's a military parade. It's kids from all over the Philippines, the colleges that come to compete. I've been told there's 100 different colleges competing, but I'm not going to swear on that one. But this is an amazing event, and what amazes me as well is how well organised it is. The people that organise these events want a big pat on the back because they've done a fantastic job. And I think a big congratulations to the Mayor.
Mamalos St. Paul Academy, Joa, entry number 70. Masunod na po, entry number 71. From Tamban,
and that's Mayor Bongat, of course, who is on his 3rd term as Mayor of Naga City.
4S1, Cadet Major Karina Shena Albis, 4S2, Cadet Captain Jonard Albeos, 4S3, Cadet Captain Noel Del Castillo Jr., 4S4, Cadet Captain Reggie Ulto, 4S5, Major Dinner.
Look at that, it's absolutely pouring it down, as you can see. Bless them. They're doing a fantastic job. Not even the rain dampens their spirit.
Thank you very much. Entry number 75, San Agustin Integrated School, Libon, Albay. Next, entry number 76, from Sacred Heart High School, Talagbangan, Sibocot, Camarines Sur, headed by Corps Commander and Staff. Cadet Major Eric Dulopino, Corps Commander. Cadet Captain Albert Mirangilla, Corps S1. Cadet Captain Baher Ballesteros, Corps S2. Cadet John Lois Dispabiladeras, Corps S3, Cadet Captain Eileen Kanya, Corps S4, Cadet Captain Micaela Buban, Corps S5, Major Leader Rose Ann Carl, Drum Lyre Corps Leader, Cadet Private John Ralph Fronda.
I don't know what you guys think, but I think I'd find it hard to smile at this point if I was any of these kids. They're doing a brilliant job.
Avalos, entry number 76 from Sacred Heart High School, Talagbangan, Sibocot, Camarines Sur. Next is entry number 77 from Santiago Integrated School, Santiago, Iriga City, headed by Corps and Staff. Cadet Captain Kathleen May Ondine, Corps Commander. Cadet Captain Nika Andrea Palermo, Corps XO. Cadet Captain Ronel Periabras, Corps S1. Cadet Captain Michael Traula, Corps S2. Cadet Captain Dumar Royo, Corps S4. Cadet Lieutenant John J. Manua, Army Villarreal, and Irma Maestado. Entry number 77, Santiago Integrated School, Santiago, Iriga City.
I think that all these young kids want extra points for doing this in this weather. I think they're just all amazing. Welcome to the Philippines, but most of all, welcome to Naga City. University capital of the Philippines.
Number 77 from Santiago Integrated School, Iriga City. Next, entry number 78 from Rodriguez National High School, Cablan, Willie, Camarines Sur. Corps Commander in Staff. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Charles Darwin Imperial, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Marlon Romero, Corps S1. Cadet Major Donar Serrano, Corps S2. Cadet Major Vincent Carl Navales, Corps S3. Cadet Major Ian Arnold Monja, Corps S4. Cadet Major Rainan Moncada, Corps S5. Favorite leader, Cadet Captain Mary Grace San Luis. División leader, Cadet Captain Ken Daniel Hernandez. Company Commander, Cadet Captain Mark Jude Juanin. Company EXO, Cadet Sergeant Alan Grijalbo. First Battalion Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant J.R. Simisa. Second Battalion Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Liza May Ibarreta. School Head, Dr.